Right, hello everyone, welcome to FOREX Trading with Sai. Want to welcome you all back to the channel. Hope you had a good trading week, hope you had a good weekend, and let's get straight into it. So this week's watch list, I'm only looking at two pairs this week. Had a look through the markets, not really seeing much going on with my favorite pairs. So I'm going to start off with Euro JPY. This is my first pair that I'm looking at for this week. As you can see, I've already got my major resistance level marked out here at this price over here, and my major support level marked out at this level here. Also, I've got this daily trend line running along here, as you can see, this nice daily upward trend line. So I'm going to go into the daily time frame. As you can see, for the whole of December, we've been in this consolidation area here. We finally broke it Thursday, but following by the next trading day session, we quickly came back down to retest this resistance level right here. So for this week, we're going to see if this level is going to hold, which will turn to our new support level. So I'm going to go into the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, for the last few 4-hour sessions, it's been holding. So for Euro JPY, for this week, I'm only going to be looking at for buys, unless if it breaks back below this resistance level here, which will alert me that this market is not ready to break that resistance level and may start a downwards trend. But I'm going to keep my eyes on Euro JPY. This is going to be my watch list I'm looking at for this week. So that's going to be my temporary resistance levels here as well. So to bring Euro JPY to an end, I'm only looking to place buy trades this week. Like I said before, unless if it closes below this resistance level right here, then I'm going to probably be looking at for sales. Next, I'm going to move on to GBP AUD. Right, this is my setup for a GBP AUD. At this level here, this is my support level. And at this level here, price level, this is my resistance level. And I've got a daily trend line just right here. So I'm going to go into the daily time frame. As you can see, we've had this inverted shooting star, which is a good signal that this market is looking to change direction and start an uptrend. And also this also provides more evidence that this support level becomes more valid and it will hold. So I'm going to go into the 4-hour time frame. Yep, judging by the 4-hour time frame, this market looks like it's ready to start an upwards trend. So I'm going to put a temporary trend line on here, starting from this one wick right here. Yep. And that's going to be my 4-hour trend line just right here. So what I'm looking for now, so I'm going to wait for a buy setup to happen from a candlestick pattern. Once I get in this trade, I'm going to be putting on two positions. One would be my 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, and then my second position I will let run. I'll be on my second position, I'll be looking for it to break my temporary trend line, and if it breaks this temporary trend line, then I will expect price to push on upwards, and somewhere later on down the line make its way to my resistance level. Before it makes its way to resistance level, I'll see how it reacts with my daily trend line. Scroll on to the 1-hour time frame. As you can see, last week, nice rejection of this support area here. So as you can see, in this area here, this is all the manipulation happening in this area here. So every time price has gotten down to this level, it tends to shoot up, spike up. But as you can see, these wicks here, shows the manipulation that this price level holds as a nice strong support. So for GPAUD, I'll be looking at for buy trades this week. So that's gonna bring it to an end to this video. Very nice, very short. Only gonna have 2 pairs in my watch list this week. If you want to stay up to date with other pairs I might be looking at during the week, follow me on my Instagram, message me, send me some pairs that you're looking at, interact with me, and I'll give you my opinions on your setups, on your trades, what you're looking at, and I'll tell you which direction I think that pair would be heading, or my opinion on it. So I'm going to wish you all a good trading week. Remember, risk management is very key. And that's going to be it from me. So I'll catch you all on the next episode of FOREX Trading with Sir.